How to change country on your Shopify store. To show you this, we have to go to our settings, and to do this we go to the bottom left here where it says settings right next to the gear icon, and it's actually the very first one which should show up right away when you click on that. It's the store details, and from here you want to look for billing information, and this here it says business address. So if you want to change that, you just click on this pencil icon here on the right, and now we can choose, for example, United Kingdom. Just type in a city and the postal code and so on, and just click on save. Yeah, this will say it's not valid, and just type in the valid postcode and save it, and that's how you can change your country on your Shopify store. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.